Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching this video. Those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, hurry subscribe here and don't forget to click the bell button. Hey, everyone. I'm Sujit Kumar, and today we're diving into a topic that's absolutely crucial for our overall well-being, sleep. We all know how important it is to get a good night's rest, and that's why I'm excited to share with you 8 essential hacks for quality sleep. Before we delve into these valuable tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health and wellness insights. Now, let's explore these secrets to a rejuvenating night's sleep. Number 1. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Our first hack is all about the beauty of consistency. Your body thrives on routine, and maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can do wonders for your sleep quality. Try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This simple habit helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Number 2. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Now, let's talk about the art of winding down. Establishing a relaxing bedtime routine signals to your body that it's time to transition into sleep mode. Whether it's indulging in a good book, taking a warm bath, or practicing some gentle stretches, find activities that help you unwind. Additionally, consider avoiding screens at least an hour before bedtime to reduce exposure to blue light, which can interfere with melatonin production, the hormone responsible for regulating sleep-wake cycles. Number 3. Optimize your sleep environment. Moving on to our third hack, let's focus on your sleep environment. Transform your bedroom into a sanctuary for sleep by keeping it cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support proper spinal alignment. Consider the benefits of blackout curtains to block out any unwanted light, and explore the use of earplugs or white noise machines to drown out disruptive sounds, creating the ideal atmosphere for a restful night's sleep. Number 4. Mind your diet and hydration. Your diet is a key player in the realm of sleep quality. Avoid heavy meals close to bedtime and limit caffeine and alcohol intake, as they can disrupt your sleep cycle. Additionally, staying hydrated is crucial, but try to avoid excessive fluid intake right before bedtime to minimize those inconvenient trips to the bathroom during the night. By paying attention to what you eat and drink, you're setting the stage for a more peaceful and uninterrupted night of sleep. Number 5. Incorporate regular exercise. Next up, let's delve into the world of physical activity. Regular exercise not only benefits your overall health but can also significantly improve sleep quality. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. However, it's essential to complete your workout a few hours before bedtime to allow your body the necessary time to wind down, ensuring a smoother transition into a restful night's sleep. Number 6. Manage stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can be major obstacles on the path to a good night's sleep. Incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your routine, such as deep breathing exercises, meditation, or yoga, can help calm your mind before bedtime. Additionally, consider keeping a journal to jot down any worries or thoughts that might be keeping you awake, providing a therapeutic outlet to clear your mind and promote relaxation. Number 7. Limit naps and daytime sleepiness. While a short nap can be rejuvenating, it's crucial to strike a balance. Long or irregular napping during the day can interfere with nighttime sleep. If you feel the need to nap, keep it short, around 20 to 30 minutes, and try to do it earlier in the day. Moreover, if you find yourself excessively sleepy during daylight hours, it might be a sign that you need to make adjustments to your nighttime sleep habits, ensuring a more consistent and restorative sleep pattern. Number 8. Invest in quality sleepwear and bedding. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the importance of sleep attire and bedding. Choosing comfortable sleepwear and investing in high-quality sheets and blankets can make a significant difference in your sleep experience. Creating a cozy and inviting sleep environment is not just a luxury, it's a key factor in enhancing your overall sleep quality. By paying attention to the details, you can transform your bedroom into a haven of comfort, contributing to a more restful and satisfying night's sleep. And there you have it, 8 essential hacks for quality sleep, each designed to bring you one step closer to that perfect night of rest. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are unique, so feel free to experiment and discover what works best for you. If you found these tips helpful or have some sleep hacks of your own to share, drop a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone you know who could use a bit more shut-eye in their life. Before you go, let me know in the comments which hack you're most excited to try or if you have any sleep tips of your own. Thanks for joining me today on my Sujit Kumar Biswas channel. Until next time, sweet dreams and take care.